Hello everybody, this is Donnie. First of all, thank you for watching this video. This is my new Power BI dashboard. It is based on the research from the Stanford University about cases of shooting in the USA from 1969 to 2016. At the top, we can see a tweak I've done to the Dana's chart to make it work a little bit different from the usual. As you can see, the colors change as well as you can see the numbers and a little comment. At the center, you can see a table that shows year, state, title, and place of the shooting, place time. At the left side, we can have a panel which we have place type. We can filter by possible motives, and we can also change the dates, and we can go to the next page. This next page it's focused on the shooter's profile, where we can see at the top the many ethnic groups, and we can choose and see some statistics on a pie chart. And this pie chart shows the number of cases, percentage, as well as we can have a table that shows some information like name, sex, and history of illness. You have next to it also a little summary of the whole incident, and we have also on the right side we can have some other information like targeting and weapon used. I hope you liked, and once more thank you very much for watching this video, and let's wait for the next.